Renting motorbikes, heading up to some waterfalls right now. It's gonna be a fun drive.
When the sky is falling and the air is flooding, just wanna close it off and block up the sun. Goodbye on a way. Say hello to spring breeze. Swim over the river by water, gets deeper. I'm feeling the stream, but it's drying me in. I'm circling the whirlpool, going round and round. Give me a black man's eye, and I count all the stars in the sky. Drink the hangman's wine to cross a river mine. My powers are weakening, sinking through the cold.
Well, we drove the motorcycles after we finally made it to the waterfalls. And just went for a swim. It's so warm, it's beautiful. Love our time in Thailand. This is the best trip ever.
Give me a blind man's eye, and I count all the stars in the sky. Drink the
That was absolutely amazing. The water was so nice and we just had so much fun. That was probably going to be one of the best days of the trip. And yeah, we're going to head back to Rosie's place where she's getting off school. So let's go. Let's get back on the bikes.
I did it! How'd it go? Great. A little shaky at first, but I
Did it.
figured it out.
Your first time ever, Sadie?
Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me drive. Where are you taking us?